7 a.m. guys, and we're going to the gym because this girl over here had the amazing idea to go. Let's go see the sun rise. We're going to the gym, and after that it's poop and beach day. Oh my god, I slept so good. I slept so good. See you. Oh my god. See you later, alligator. Jesus Christ, this is amazing. Jesus Christ, this is amazing, bro. We're taking the elevator. Video. Do something. Damn. Oh my god. So basically, we're trying to find, you know, the guy that like rents beach chairs. But there's this cute guy and I don't want to talk to him. Margaret doesn't as well, so either. So today is beach day and then pool day. Tell us, how's your day at the beach going? Good. We saw some cute guys on the lawn of my life. Where are we? Gloria? Yeah. I'm just gonna have lunch and then go back and chill. Yay! Damn, that reached me. Squirted on me. We finished our day on the beach, innit? We're walking. It's currently, I don't know what time is it, like 6:05, something like that, p.m. And then we're going to the we're going to the hotel, and then we'll like try the pool for a bit, and then we'll go up our room. We're gonna take a shower, we're gonna dress up, and we're gonna go back to the like beach and take, like, you know, really cute sunset pictures. And then after that we'll go to the Skybar and chill there. So that way we enjoyed every facility of like the hotel, and we also enjoyed like half of the day, more than half of the day at the beach, seeing cute guys. see you guys later. Bye. Hello beautiful soul. Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. This is not the intro. So we just finished, well, we got back from the beach. We had a shower. I also have that dress, but I'm not wearing it. I'm wearing this one from Shein. I told her I didn't want to match. But yeah, so we just finished. Oh, well, we got back from the beach. We had a shower. We just had dinner. And we'll walk back to the beach to take sunset photos. And we're gonna go to the rooftop bar. Thanks Atara for sponsoring. Atara for sponsoring and paying for everything, basically. Yeah. Something we should be laughing. We feel very fancy, very social. We can go to the beach, yeah. If not, we can just stroll until it's late. But yeah, we will update you guys later. Bye bye. Say bye. Bye. Actually, yeah, we should maybe because we haven't seen the beach at this time. We finished at oh my god, I thought I was so mad, bro. We finished our stroll at the beach. We're trying to see the sunset, but the sky was beautiful. The sky was beautiful, it was pretty. Well, not beautiful, but pretty. But there was no sunset. But we managed to take some pictures, so that's fine. What are you doing? You're trying to take the... Oh my god. Anyway, guys, yeah, I've changed. Okay, yeah, I've changed. I had to change for the Skybar. Anyway, guys, we finished this. We finished the Skybar. We had the Sex on the Beach and Pina Colada. Yes, finally, I've been trying to get a hold on a Sex on the Beach since last year. I finally got it. Yes. We woke up this morning. We went to the gym because we wanted to try the gym. Although I was quite disappointed. Okay, I had to say I was quite disappointed. Are you, Mary Grace, disappointed? But we went to the gym and then we had I don't know what's wrong with her, but I don't know. There you go. Anyway, yeah, this is the bathroom, but it's fine. We had breakfast, and then after having breakfast, we prepared and went to the gym, to the beach. Just stayed there until 6 something in the afternoon. We had dinner oh my god, lunch outside. It was a really yummy lunch. Then we just chilled on the beach and then came back to the hotel. And we were supposed to try, the pool. We actually sat by the pool, right? Not by the pool. Yeah, by the pool. She did go in the pool, but I wasn't feeling like it. I could see the water, and I was like, that is warm. That is warm. And you know what guys, you know what that means? People all together in a small pool. And then warm water, yeah, you guys know it. After that, we took a shower and then we went to
have dinner because we wanted to go to the beach by like 9, something like that, because we saw that the sunset was at that hour. But we were also deceived. We thought that we were gonna be, you know, looking at a beautiful sunset, but we actually saw nothing. I didn't see anything, like nothing. I didn't see anything. We just looked at the shops, and then we bought some things, and after that we just returned to the hotel because we wanted to try the Skybar, and we tried it. We, you know, as I said before, we took some cocktails, and now we're just doing the outro of the day because it's finished, and tomorrow I actually don't know what I'm gonna do. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh my god, did my voice just crack?
Yep.
Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Share, like, comment, and share with your friends. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.